Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get two things knocked out today. First of all, we're gonna run down to Naha and pay our annual road tax for our vehicles. It's about 60 bucks USD, and I think the most convenient way to do it is just going to an office out in town. That's done at the land tax office, and we'll drop that on the maps for you and show you where it's at. Secondly, we're gonna go to a delicious barbecue joint called Yakiniku Goen, I believe is how you pronounce it. It's right up the way. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. We'll bring you guys along, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and if you didn't or it just didn't help you out whatsoever, go ahead and give me a thumbs down and a nasty gram. We appreciate you watching either way. Thanks guys, have a good one. Hey, you guys know you're dealing with a pro when she mixes up her own custom Suki sauce to take with her to the barbecue joint.
Yeah, so this is the place right here. Just look for the number 9 on the doors. I was in and out literally 10 minutes. Yeah, so once you got your receipts and your new little tickets, if you will, for the new year, you just pull through the drive-thru here on Camp Foster, and we're about to get our stickers right now. So we were in and out of the building down there, and well, closer to Naha. We were in and out in 10 minutes, and yeah, swoop through here on base on Camp Foster. Gonna get our stickers, and that's it in one fell swoop right there. So there's no waiting around. If you go on the insurance base or the insurance places on base, like in the USO, and you pay there, there's a bit of a waiting period. I think 2 or 3 days to get your paperwork back, and then you still have to come over here. So it saves you an extra trip if you just do it out in town. Anywho, hope this helps you out. Thanks. Here we are, Yakiniku Goen. Let's do it. Alright, Tick's over here ordering. We're about to get after it.
Okay.
Oh, you already got everything, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Very good, dear.
One is real để học.
Where's your custom Suki sauce at, dear? Huh?
Have my own sauce rồi.
Told you guys. That's a pro move right there. You guys ever have that one friend that was always sneaking their own treats into the movie theater?
I made a snake.
You didn't sneak it, huh? That's my wife here with this Suki sauce. So these are just the first of a few, or of the first few of many dishes that are going to come. We'll see how this stacks up here in a second. All right, you're getting all set up.
I'm not gonna.
These guys are ready right here. Aloy mate. You getting dessert over there, dear? You getting dessert over there?
No.
Yeah, mate.
All right, hey, that's gonna do it, team. Got our road taxes knocked out. Got some delicious yakiniku in us. And yeah, we're about to scoot back onto the house. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for coming along. Cheers.